So, Matthew 16:26, what good will it be for a man if he gains the whole world, yet forfeits his soul? So, walang magagawa yung kayamanan natin. Diba? Yung mga bagay na nabibili natin, yes, it's good to buy things that we want. Pero to depend on it, very bad. Diri mapay. It's not good for us. So second thing is to prevent us from honoring ourselves. That's why we honor God, because we honor God with our wealth. And by honoring God with our wealth, we avoid ourselves honoring yung sarili natin. Okay? So, this is one of the problems of those people who taste yung mga nakalimutan na si Lord, di ba? So, wealth in life, they became proud of themselves and forgot the one who was given them the ability to gain such wealth and success. So, these are the reminders for those who will taste success and wealth. Amen? Kasi lahat tayo yayaman. Amen? Lahat tayo yayaman by God's will. So, Deuteronomy 8:17-18. You may say to yourself, my power and the strength of my hands have produced this wealth for me. But remember the Lord your God, for it is He who gives you the ability to produce wealth, and so confirms His covenant which He swore to your forefathers as it is today. Amen? In the future, let it be that this will be a reminder for us that we all need to give the credit. Let us all give the credit kay Lord. Okay? Kasi wala naman talaga tayong sabi pa nga 'di ba? Pumunta tayo ay nabuhay tayo na walang suot. Mamamatay tayo na magiging abo na lang tayo, hindi natin madadala yung mga kayamanan na naiwan natin. Kahit yung insurance pa na meron ka sa insurance company, di ba? Hindi mo makukuha. Alam ko, naglubot na ako. Sige. So, for those who forget naman, if you ever forget the Lord your God and follow others and worship and bow down to them, I testify against you today that you will surely be destroyed. Amen? Sige. So, there's a danger if we depend. There's a danger for those who will forget that the Lord is the one who are sustaining us. So as we honor God with our wealth, it also teaches us to be humble and know that we cannot achieve anything without God. Okay? Naglubat na ako na. Sige. So Matthew Henry said, God who is the first and the best must have the first and the best of everything in His right. His right is prior to all others, and therefore, He must serve first. Amen. So, wait lang. So, let's go back. Adi kita ha, verse 9. Honor the Lord with your wealth and with the first fruits of all your produce. So, Matthew Henry said, God who is the first and the best must have the first and the best of everything. His right is prior to all other and therefore he must be served first. Bakit kaya first fruit of all your produce? So according kay Matthew Henry, because He is our God. He deserves the best. Amen? He deserves the best. Kasi, nung binigay niya ang salvation natin, yung sinakripisyo niya is the best. Amen? And that is Jesus Christ. Amen? God deserves our very best. Amen? Our best time, our best attention, everything na best that can honor God. Amen? So commit to the Lord whatever you do. Piringan siya. So, okay. So, these are the things, so amanad to, that we need to give our best. So, to honor God, we need to give our best and also honor God with our wealth. Okay? For us to honor God. So these are the three things that God will assure us if we will do all those things. Nahibaroan naton. First is, He will make your path